Hey guys, welcome to Troy Time. Hey, I want to jump on here real quick and just tell you guys about some awesome deals on Amazon where you can throw together just an awesome little $30 DIY solar system. This thing's amazing, guys. For that price, it's great. Okay, it's going to be based around this panel here. We'll talk about it, but man, it's going to be based on a USB battery. You can do so much with a USB battery. There are so many videos on my site, guys. Go check it out. I show how to run so many different things. Things you never thought you could do with USB power, you can. The difference of one USB battery can make is just a huge difference every day if you have that much power available to you. You can run real lights. I show how to do that on my channel, real lights and emergency lights, that kind of thing. Obviously, you can charge up your phone. You can charge up, you'll have your comms and your different communications with your social media. You can use your tablet for entertainment, all kinds of different stuff, productivity as well. And then you can also use the projector. I show how to use a projector with USB power. I show all that stuff on my site and more, heating options and different things. But let's talk about these deals. So this is a 21 watt panel, which is awesome. You can tell here it's half price. It's coming just over $17, all right? So that's a great deal on this panel. I don't currently own this panel, but I'm ordering one and I'll do a review on it when it gets here. But I've shown videos on how to size solar panels where you can tell if they're actually accounting for being the right size of what they're advertising, and this one fits the bill. So this one really is a 21 watt panel. We're going to order it and do a review. But in the meantime, it's just an awesome deal. So I highly recommend picking one of these up. It's going to load a USB battery. And the reason that that's important is because we have that 21 watt panel and we're going to have this fast charging 22.5 watt USB battery. This thing's going to charge, we've seen in other videos when I'm charging it at 19 watts. Okay, so that's just awesome. So you're going to have a panel that's large enough to power a fast charging USB. That means you'll be able to get that thing charged in probably a couple different times in a single day. All right, so it's just a great deal, great size to have, always ensuring that you have that USB battery full up and ready to go. On days when there aren't sunshine, we're going to have this little adapter, this little $4 adapter here. You'll be able to charge it fast charge from your car. You'll be able to charge that USB battery. Again, it's going to charge it like 19 watts. So just 2 hours of use in the car, maybe an hour in the morning and an hour in the evening, and you'll be able to charge up that USB battery even if you had no solar. You could also use it just to supplement. If you weren't able to fill that solar battery up, maybe it was during most of the day and you just didn't get much sun, you can top it off maybe a half hour or maybe an hour in your car, running your car on idle and just charging that thing at 19 watts and just fill that battery up. So you can always ensure that you're going to have at least the USB battery full every night, okay? And that's going to keep your family happy and healthy. It's going to make them just have a little bit of comfort in their life and ensure you have the basics, the emergency stuff. You'll have lighting. You can have entertainment options. You can have some comm options. And we even talk a little bit about some heating that you can still do with just USB power. All that stuff's on my site. You can go check out my site. But mostly I just wanted to get these deals out to you, this real quick video. It's just real quick thrown together. I want everyone to have solar power, and this is a great little system you can throw together for just over $30. So go pick those things up and let me know if you do. I'll do a review of those items once they come in from Amazon. And this is Troy Time. You take care. I'm out.